I am a Naga woman. This torch I hold is not a weapon of violence. It is a weapon of vigilance. It does not take life. It confronts those who do. This torch is our witness. It burns so that injustice cannot hide in the dark. I stand as a daughter of these hills, carrying the memory of those who stood before me. I do not stand here alone. I stand with every woman and mother who refused to let suppression silence us. For decades, our mothers have carried grief without recognition. What they yearn for is not conflict, but a just and lasting peace. When unrest grips our homeland, we the women do not sleep. We carry the flame into the streets so fear does not rule the night. We the women have stood before armed forces in tense moments. With this flame, we protected our fathers, brothers, sons, and daughters. We have stood between guns and our people. We will always stand for dignity, rights, justice, and peace with honor. To our Naga men, leaders, and tribes across borders, unite in one resolve and one voice. Division will only prolong our suffering for generations. To our neighbors in any India, we claim only what is ours. Respect our land and rights as we respect yours. Let's live together in peace. To the Government of India, no more divide and delay tactics. Engage all Naga groups in sincere dialogue for an honorable, peaceful settlement. You may ignore our voice, but you cannot extinguish this flame. Kuknalin.